Hey, it's Dr. Dean Brown. All right, so here's the neck exercise. If you've got terrible pain in your neck, maybe it's shooting up into your head or shooting down your arm, this is the exercise for you, okay? Give it a try. Follow the instructions exactly. If you do that, you've got your best chance. Here we go. All right, so here we are. My lovely wife, Ashley, has agreed to help us today. She does a great job with these exercises. This is called the chin retraction exercise. Remember, this is for pain in the neck or pain that's shooting down your arm or symptoms down your arm. You're gonna start with this one. And I wanted to show you the head motion here because watch this. It's very important what to do and what not to do. This is a proper chin retraction. You're gonna pull the head straight back on a level plane. You're not gonna tuck your chin, nor are you gonna lift your chin up in the air like you're looking at the roof. You're gonna come straight back, and we have our patients do 10 reps of these every 2 hours. And look at the pace she's doing. She's doing a great pace. This isn't a stretch where you're holding and pressing backwards. You're just bringing it back as far as you can, and then releasing back forward. Now, what you don't want to do is what we call the chicken neck, and that's when you come forward. Whoa, yeah, don't do that. That's going to reverse what you just did. So go from neutral to back, neutral, and then retract all the way back. That looks great. All right, so this is going to be the modification. If you feel like you've gotten everything you can out of the original exercise, you've been doing it for a couple of days and you've plateaued, this will be a modification for you. And what you'll note here is that the motion is the same, but we're going to use a little help. So Ashley's going to bring her arm up and her elbow's nice and high. She's contacting the cheekbones. She's going to do the same motion. Go ahead and go straight back, but she's going to push with the arm now just to get a little extra push. Again, releasing to neutral, pushing straight back. Beautiful, absolutely great form right here, pushing straight back. That's what you want that exercise to look like. That is the modification or addition to kind of bring it over the top. If you plateaued a little bit with your exercise, you feel like you need a little bit more, this is the modification. You get a little bit more pushback. You're keeping the head in that nice flat plane. This looks great. This is a chin retraction with a little bit of help. Okay, so now this isn't really a modification, although if you do start with the seated version and it's not really working for you, you could use this as a modification, but the motion we're getting ready to show you now is actually the starting point. The reason I showed you the seated position first, I wanted you to see what happens with your head, the actual motion, because as you'll see here, it looks a little bit more subtle when you're lying on your back. So Ashley's gonna show us how she's pressing straight back into the pillow and then relaxing, straight back into the pillow and relaxing, and she'll continue to show you that, but just take note, that's just a very small, shallow pillow, very soft. You can do this on your bed. If you have too many pillows under your head, it's going to push your head forward, and that's the motion we're trying to avoid. So this is it. You're off of gravity, you're relaxed, you're pushing back into the pillow, and you'll do 10 repetitions every 2 hours until you feel like you've mastered this and you can move back to the seated or standing position.